Hello everybody, today we're gonna make Kung Pao chicken. We need red chili pepper, red pepper, spring onion, 1 spoon of cornstarch, sesame oil, garlic, ginger, soya sauce, normal oil, oyster sauce, 250 gram chicken, and 50 gram of peanuts. Let's start. For the chicken, we put 1 small spoon of soya sauce, 1 small spoon of sesame oil, 1 small spoon of oyster sauce, and we mix it. After we put 1 small spoon of cornstarch, we mix it again and we leave it. For the sauce, we put 1 spoon of soya sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of sesame oil. And 1 big spoon of white vinegar. And 1 spoon of cornstarch. We mix it and we leave it. First we put the oil, we put the peanuts, we mix it for 1 minute and we take it out. Now we put more oil, we put the chicken, we cook for 5 minutes and we take it out. Now we put the ginger, garlic, we mix it little. Now we put the red chili pepper, we mix it for 1 minute. And we put the chili red pepper, we mix it for 2 minutes together. After 2 minutes, we take back the chicken, the peanuts, we mix it and we leave it in the medium fire for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, we put the sauce, we mix it together, we leave it in the fire for 2 minutes more. After 2 minutes, we put the spring onion, we mix it for 1 minute. Like this, our food will be done. Thank you for watching. Hope everybody like it. See you next time.